हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे माय कॉलेज लाइब्रेरी इंग्लिश एसे के बारे में। दोस्तों, अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ आप जल्दी से इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ ही बेल आइकॉन बटन को भी प्रेस कर दें। लाइब्रेरी इज़ अ पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ एवरी कॉलेज. It is in reality a storehouse of knowledge. It is a great seat of learning. A well-stocked library is an asset for our college. We are very in having a good library in our college. It is well stocked with books, magazines, etc. There are nearly 30,000 books on all subjects. The books have been arranged according to their subjects. The students can go to the library, select a book of their choice and get it issued. The library in our college is housed in a separate block of college. There are several rooms in the library. A room is allotted to the reference books. These books are not issued to the students. They can study them in the library and take notes from them. Another room is meant for teachers. There is a small room where a very large table is placed. This is the reading room. There are so many newspapers and magazines which are arranged properly on this table. A fairly big room is attached to the library. In one corner of this hall, we find a catalog of books. In the other corner, there is a counter where the library assistant issues books to the students. The students of college issued a library card. Each student can get 2 books issued on this card at one time. These books are issued for 15 days. All the students of our college are proud of our college library. तो दोस्तों, ये था माय कॉलेज लाइब्रेरी इंग्लिश एसे। दोस्तों, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ आप इस वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर करें, इस वीडियो को शेयर करें। आप इस वीडियो को फेसबुक, व्हाट्सएप के द्वारा शेयर कर सकते हैं, अपने दोस्तों को इस चैनल के बारे में बता सकते हैं। अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं ऐसी और वीडियोस देखने में तो प्लीज़ आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ ही बेल आइकॉन बटन को भी प्रेस कर दें। थैंक यू।